Afternoon guys, welcome back to the channel for a super video. We've got a twin axle 9-meter motorhome that we're stood in right now. It's an Autotrail and this is a Chieftain. Now this particular customer has come all the way down to us for the 5G now compact Wi-Fi system with an aerial on the roof and a system inside the wardrobe, which we'll show you about in a second. But most importantly, this customer came to us with the really old-fashioned AV system with a roof-mounted system here, which connects to an old-fashioned, outdated reversing camera. He said he wanted smart TV with some good sound and the ability to connect to the Wi-Fi. This is what we've done. So we're using Avtex products. We've gone for the 24-inch TV. It's a smart TV, no DVD player, nothing to clutter up old cupboards and whatever else. We've just got a smart TV that connects to things like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and most importantly, you've got all your BBC iPlayer and all those bits and pieces like that. Now, this 24-inch Avtex is also connected to the soundbar. Now, the soundbar transforms the sound from bog standard TV sound to absolutely awesome sound. More importantly, you can connect your Bluetooth device, so your phone, to listen to music all on here, and it sounds amazing. It's a lot more immersive and it is much better quality. Now, more importantly, this is on a swing arm bracket. So this whole bracket, this whole TV here can, once it's been unplugged, can fold back against the TV, against the wall, like so, and be tucked out the way. But the reason why we set it up like this is because this customer has also gone for two carry cases. They're two hard cases, so we do what the same as in my motorhome. We simply unplug the TV and we put it into its hard carry case, we store it away. That way is no danger of one, someone seeing it through the window, and two, it falling off whilst you're driving. So in the next stage, I'll unplug it, put it in a carry case and show you how easy it is, but also how convenient it is to do, and then we'll show you the bedroom TV. Okay, right, so what we're going to do now, this part is just show you how to unplug the TV and pop it into the hard carry case, which is here. So I've taken it out of its box. It's brand new. It's another Avtex product. Now, we always try and sell these to the customer because even if you don't take your TV off, these are really handy for keeping your TV safe. Now, not saying that you could go and put this on an aeroplane. It's not that sort of hard case, but it's really well designed. What you can do is you can put your TV in here and know that it's going to be nice and safe and secure in a locker. So whilst Matt's filming there, it's going to pull out the TV bracket and I'm going to unplug the connection. So we're going to unplug the HDMI for the sound bar and the TV, unplug the TV aerial here, unplug the power, and for the power for the sound bar. Now, these TVs come with the 240 volt 3-pin plug, but we never use them because it means that if you're off grid, you can't watch your TV. What's the point of having that when ultimately, when you're connected to 12 volt and your TV in your motorhome is plugged into shore power, then you've got the same charging anyway. So what we do now is we slide the TV off like so, and we turn the TV over and we pop it in its little soft carry case like this. Now what you can do is, I've taken mine out. This is Velcro here. So we just pop that in there. TV sits face down, sound bar is bolted on, and you've still got your little cubby holes here for your remote controls and your HDMI lead, which you can put in there so that it doesn't scratch. You've got your little safety thing here. Then you can shut that do your case up, and you can take it in the house with you if you don't want it in there, or you can put it somewhere, I don't know, under your bed storage or under your storage. In my motorhome, I lift up these and I pop it in there and it works beautifully. Now, the TV bracket, what we've done on this particular install is Richard has fitted two 12-volt female sockets. We've wired them in together. They're off the same supply up here, which is fused, and it's nice and neat because once you unplug them, you don't know that they're there. Also, with the TV aerial, we've done it so that you can feed the slack up inside. So we do that. We've had to pull quite a bit of it out for the TV bracket. So if I do that like so, and just keep pushing your TV aerial up, and the reason why we've done that is because the TV aerial is not something that you can just unplug. Because it's connected to the main splitter up in the cupboard, we've just left this here so that you can hide that away and you can fit and forget. It's not really a big deal. You could have one of those ugly surface mount sockets on there, but not really a great fan of that either. So that's there out the way, sitting nice and proud. And then when you don't want the TV bracket, the bracket's against the wall and it's not in your way. So that's the double swing arm TV bracket. TV aerial that we've pushed into here, connected to the digital antenna on the roof, which we will then plug back in. And we've then got the 24-inch TV in its little carry case, which is really nice and handy. Now, I won't bore you with all the details of plugging it all back in because it's the reverse of what we've done. We've got our double sockets here. There's no mains involved. We've got our sound bar and our TV power, and then you plug in the HDMI, which has got a right angle, plugs into the TV, and your sound bar is already connected to the TV. So it's easy and simple. Anybody could do this. Get it out of your carry case, plug it in, tune it in wherever you are in the UK, and away you go. Job done. Right, next part of the video, we'll show you the TV in the bedroom section. Right, back again because we forgot, in our excitement of the hard carry case here, we forgot to actually show you the TV working, which is stupid because we spent all day fitting the bloody thing. Anyway, right, so TV is, comes with one remote control, but so does the sound bar. The sound bar TV remote, or the sound bar remote, isn't really needed unless you are connecting your phone via Bluetooth or the USB functionality at the back for music playback. And to be honest, that's really cool too. But how we've set it up is you press the power for the TV then sends the signal to the sound bar. Let's just turn that down, like so. The sound bar gets the signal from the TV that we're on the audio return channel, and then the sound bar kicks in and changes drastically the sound from here to the sound through the sound bar. Now, because of copyright, I'm not sure if we can get away with that. Let's have a quick look. Now, you won't be able to hear the quality, but you will be able to hear that the sound quality is much better. Now, rather than cause problems with YouTube, I'd rather just turn that down like so. But what we like about these TVs is that you've got a One Plus feature for tuning wherever you are in the UK, and you've got instant access to Netflix. So if you're logging in somewhere in the UK, as long as you're connected to the internet, which you would be in this vehicle because we fitted the Wi-Fi, you can hotspot it off your phone, but that's the reason why we've combined these TVs with the Wi-Fi as well. You've got Netflix, you've got Amazon Prime, and then you've got all your smart catch-up TV. But what we will do in another video is show you one of these and its full functionality with the sound bar, how it works for playing music. We'll have to do some copyrighted music, how it works for the USB, and all the features and functions of these smart TVs from Avtex, because it's the only brand we make. We don't make them, we'd love to. It's the only brand that we supply and install, and we love them. So let's just turn that off like so. Now we're going to head into the back bedroom area where we've done a custom stainless steel plate and show you what we've done in there. So, for those of you that haven't seen a motorhome like this, we're in the rear bedroom area now. Matthew and I are snuggled up in the back here, and this is a small double bed. but this double bed is fine. Up until now, there wasn't a TV here. There were provisions behind for a TV aerial and one 12-volt socket. What we've had to do is fit an additional 12-volt socket, make sure the TV aerial is connected and routed through, but we've also removed this. This, over the years of the vehicle, has had various different brackets and TVs fitted to it. So when this customer came to me, I said, look, the first thing I want to do is I want to get rid of this. This is cheap and nasty and not very refined at all. So what we've done is gone to our metal fabrication company. We've got some high polished mirrored stainless steel, 2 mil thick, and it's had beveled edges and rounded edges cut into it. And what Richard and I have done is using some Sikaflex or No More Nails or whatever you want to call it. It's the stuff that goes off and goes really, really hard. We have bonded the stainless steel plate to this thick wood part of the bathroom so that you can't see any fixings or screws or anything else. There's no crude fixings, it's just that. What we have done though is behind the TV bracket, we have used fixings to hold it on as well. So it's not just that sort of Sikaflex holding it on, is screwed on as well. Now this is a really nice clean bracket, and hopefully the camera can pick that up because this plate is really, really clean. As you can see here, yep, you can give it a polish. It looks so refined compared to what was on there before. Now, we've gone for a 19.5-inch TV in here, exactly the same as the lounge. Same setup with the smart sound bar. So let's just turn that down, make sure that you keep YouTube happy like so. Now this sound bar takes a few seconds longer to come on. It then comes on, switches over to the audio return, and then you've got beautiful sound in here. So whether you're listening to music, watching a film, or tuning into Freeview, it doesn't really make any difference. The sound quality is really, really good for a motorhome, and because this is on a swing arm type bracket, you can actually do whatever you want to do with this. You could bring it right round so that both people in the bed can watch it, and that's what we've done to make sure that this is a really nice install. And you've got flexibility there to move it around and adjust it, and that's fine, because what I do is when we hand over to the customer, we can say, look, how do you want it? Let me do it up so it's nice and adjusted and perfect for you. But this is again an awesome install, 19.5-inch smart TV. So next part of the video, before it runs on for an ever and ever, is now the Wi-Fi in the wardrobe. So this is the 5G Now Compact Pro. It's the latest Wi-Fi system on the market that will give you 5G router, 5G antenna on the roof. We've gone for a white antenna on the roof, with Matthew will show you. And more importantly is this little devil here. Once you've got it plugged into your EE SIM card that the customer has given us, is really portable. Now I don't know why, and I've said this on the previous videos, why you would want to unplug the antennas and move the router around, because as far as we're concerned, this is as far away from ovens and microwaves and AV switches and the fuse board to not cause a problem. But this little baby here is absolutely brilliant. So you can scroll down, you've got, let's just skip that. So we've now got Wi-Fi connected, batteries charged as well, and there's been no monthly usage because the card hasn't been actually activated yet for the customer. So also what you can do is a little power switch underneath here, and you can turn that off. So if you don't want the battery to be charged off the leisure battery, you can just simply turn that off like so. Job done. So this is the 5G Pro Compact Smart. Awesome bit of kit. It's not cheap, but you get what you pay for, and it means that you're future-proofing your vehicle. So this particular vehicle has had the 2 TVs, smart TVs, 19.5-inch in the back with a soundbar, 24-inch in the lounge with a sound bar, custom stainless steel plate just to make the job more refined, and then the 5G compact Wi-Fi on the roof. Again, you can see all of that in the description as to what we've done. If you've got a vehicle like this and you want a proper job done, then come and see us. This is what we do. We take a lot of pride in what we do. So don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends and family, and thanks for watching.